Welcome to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve factorization of algebraic expression of class 8th. Practice set 6.2. Practice set 6.2. Before starting, I want to write formula, that is a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, this is our formula. So now I am going to start. As you can see, x cube plus 64y cube is given. Now I am writing x cube while taking inside the bracket. I am writing like this. Okay, 4y cube I have written. Why I have written 4? Because 64, as you can see, after taking LCM you will get it. This is 64. Taking 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 6s are, again 2 8s are 2 4s are, then 2 2s are 2 1s are. Now here 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So 4 cube is what? 64. So I have taken 4y cube. Now we have to solve this sum with the help of this formula. Now I am writing x plus 4y. As you can see, in the place of a, x is there. In the place of b, 4y. Now x square minus x. Okay, again the b is given. So in the place of b we will write 4y and plus 4y square. To understand in better way, I am writing a is what? X, and b is what? 4y. Okay, now this is your sum, which I use this formula. Now I am writing x plus 4y, again the bracket, x square minus x into 4y is 4xy, then plus in the place of 4 square, 4y square, we will write 4 4s are 16 y square. This is the answer for question number 1. Now we will move to second one, that is 125 p cube plus q cube. Okay, now here again we have to find the LCM of 125. See, as I know that 125 cube is what? 5, but you should understand that's why I am taking the LCM. So 5 2s are 10, 5s are 25, 5 5s are, and 5 1s are. So we got this 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 cube is what? 125. Now here I am writing 5p cube plus q cube. Now again I am not writing the formula, as you know already I have explained in question number 1. So directly I am writing 5p plus q. After that 5p square. Here also a is what? 5p and b is what? Q. Okay, I'm writing minus, then AB is there, as you can see AB. So in the place of A, 5p and Q. Then in place of B, what is that? Plus Q square. Now again 5p plus Q, then square of 5 is 25p, then 5pq after multiplying, then plus Q square. We got the answer for question number 3. Now I am writing question number 3, that is 125k cube plus 27m cube. Okay, here again cube of 125 is 5k cube. We already solved this in previous question. So plus, not 27. So here I am writing 27. 3 9s are 3, 3s are 3, 1s are. So it is a 3 cube. So I am writing 3m cube. Okay. Now 5k plus 3m will come. According to the formula, I am doing the sum. Now again, as you can see in the second box, A square means what? 5k square, then minus, then A into B is there, so we will take A is what? 5k and B is 3m. Okay, so I am taking A into B, that means 4k into 3m. Okay, plus 3m square, plus 3m square we have taken. Now afterwards 5k plus 3m, then again square of 5 is what? 25k minus 5 3s are 15 km plus 9m square. Okay, we got answer of question number 3. Now we are moving towards fourth one, that is 2l cube plus 432m cube. Now question number 4, that is 4l cube plus 432m cube. Now we are going to find out the LCM of 432. So 432, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Okay, now again 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 3 3s are 3, 1s are. So what we got? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, and 3 3s are 9. So what we will do? We will take 2 as a common factor. I am taking 2 as a common factor. Inside the bracket I will take L cube plus, okay, then we will take this number, we will take 216 cube. Okay, I am writing here. So already I have taken cube here, so there is no need to write here cube. So as we have taken bracket, I'm writing here 2. Now L cube plus, now the cube of 126 is, sorry, the cube of 216 is 6m cube. Okay, cube of 216 is 16m cube. Now again 2 L in the formula, we have to include formula here. Okay, so 2L plus 6m, then L minus, what is A here, sorry, what is A here, that is L, and what is B, that is 6m. Okay, then again plus, again what is B here now, B is 6m square. Here also square will come. Now we are going to solve this. 2L plus 6m, L square will remain L square, minus, after multiplying L with m, L with 6m, we will get 6lm plus square of 6 is 36m square. We got the answer for question number 4. Now question number 5. Now question number 5 is 24a cube plus 81b cube. Okay, now here also to know 24 is there, so 2 1s are 2s are 2 6s are 2 3s are and 3 1s are. As you can see, there is a 3 2 means 2 cubes we have seen, and here single 3 is there. So what we have to do, we will take 3 as a common factor here, 3. So 3 8s are 24 plus, again we will take the LCM of 81, 9 9s are, okay, then 3 3s are 3 1s are. So we got here also 3, so 3 9s is what, 27. So 3 1 3 we will take common, already we have taken, so 3 9s are 27, we will take 27b cube. As you can see, 3 27s are 81. Okay, now we are moving to next step, that is 3, take big bracket inside that. Now cube root of 8 is 2a cube plus 27 is what, 3b cube. Okay, now this we have to solve with the help of formula, that is a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b, then a square minus ab plus b square, that is the formula. I am writing here 3. Now we will take 2a plus b. Now in the second bracket, what is a, 2a square minus ab means 2a and 3b, then plus b means 3b square will come. Now again 3 2a plus b. Now here square of 2 is 4a square minus 2a into 3b is 2 3s are 6, 6ab plus 3 3s are 9, 9b square. We got the answer for question number 5. Now we are going to solve question number 6, that is y cube plus 1 upon 8y cube. So y cube plus 1 upon cube of 8 is 2y. Okay, now we will go according to the formula. So y plus 1 upon 2y in the bracket y square minus ab, that will be y into 1 upon 2y plus again 1 upon 2y square. Okay, now here you can see y and y will cut. Okay, now here y plus 1 upon 2y, then y square minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4y. Why? Because square is there. This is the answer, 4y square. This is the answer for question number 6. Solve. Next question is 7th one, a cube plus 8 upon a cube. We are going to take inside the bracket a cube plus cube of 8 is 2a cube. Okay, why 2? Again 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 1s are. So 2 is a cube here for 8. Now we are moving here. Now according to the formula we will move a plus 2 upon a, again a square minus a into b is what? 2 upon a, then plus b 2a square. Okay, next step, as you can see a will be cut. Now I am writing a plus 2a, again a square will remain, a square minus 2 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 upon a square. This is the answer for question number 7. Now we are moving to 8th one, that is 1 plus 9 cube upon 125. Okay, now I am writing 1 cube plus 9 upon cube of 125 is 5 cube. Again we'll follow the method. We will follow the formula whatever is given. So 1 plus 9 upon 5, then 1 square means a square minus ab means this both will come, 1 into q upon 5 plus again b square is what? Q upon 5. Okay, now again one same thing we will write here, 1 plus q upon 5 Here 1 square will remain 1. Then minus, as you can see, 1 into q is q upon 5 plus here q upon 5 5 is 25 square. This is the answer for question number 8. So in this exercise, very important is that you should memorize the formula, that is a cube plus b cube, that is equal to a plus b, okay, in one bracket. In another bracket, a square minus ab plus b square. I hope you understood this exercise. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.